If you have been wanting to start something new, now might be the best time to start it.
Don't know if you have noticed or not, but the girl has got a new look. I have chopped off my hair finally. The thing is, when I was in my class 12th, I used to have my hair up till this length. It was a very nerdy look, I promise. I just left my hair however it was just to avoid the hassle of having long hair, but since puja is nearing, we went to the salon and finally chopped off my hair. I won't lie, but I kinda like this.
Five minutes later. 24 hours later. One eternity later.
Now while she's having a haircut, I guess you guys and I can have a quick chat. But it's too noisy out here. We can talk somewhere where there's less noise. So when you guys would be watching this video, we would have completed 90 days of our YouTube journey, which has been amazing. We knew nothing when we started, and now with time, as you see, we are learning videography, cinematography, editing and whatnot. Thing is, there is no perfect time to start something new. If you want to start anything that you really wanted to or what you want to, I would suggest just go ahead and start it off, Don't think about what others may think, because trust me, that's very, very harmful. And don't push it off for some later day when situations might be perfect, because if you don't find the right time now, chances are you would never find that right time. So if you are watching this, then my advice to you would be, if you have been wanting to start something new, now might be the best time to start it off. So just go ahead, just do it. Done. Is this what you were looking for?
Kind of. Not exactly, but this is better. So currently we are heading towards iTech, which is an iStore over here. And my brother wants to check out the prices of iPhone 11 and compare it with that of online prices.
She already has t-shirts. She has already ordered them online. There's no need to come here, but we are just wasting our time.
So my brother thinks that pantaloons is overpriced.
I know. I have seen for the past 2 years we have been buying from Pantaloons, and I see the Pantaloons is like double the price what anybody else offers.
So we have come back, and right now there is cloud all over. The sky is grey, and since the past few weeks, the climate over here has been very unpredictable. Suddenly the sun comes up and it's very shiny, and suddenly it becomes dark and gloomy and starts raining. If it starts raining, we won't be able to work out on the terrace. We have to go downstairs to our rooms and work out, maybe, which we don't prefer. Let's get started with the workout for today.
And she is the actress and I am the production manager, which is why I am clearing the set while the actress gets ready to do the work.
Ignore him.
Epiphany rising. I got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me.
So as we had predicted, it has started raining, and I guess we need to start working out downstairs. We need to shift all the dumbbells and the barbells downstairs, and so I guess I'll meet you after we complete with our workout. So right now we all are going out. Ma, Baba, my brother and I, we all are going out for Pujo shopping. The thing is, since the climate over here is right now equal to a rainy season, it is raining anytime and every time. Hence, we could not really start off with our Pujo shopping. Today we have to go out for Pujo shopping, and I have got ready and we'll be going out right now. Thank you for watching. Take care. Tata.